The latest RCS residential market survey results show a steadier trend emerging for sales activity across the UK, with key indicators more stable relative to recent months. Nevertheless, prices continue to fall in some parts of the country, with London and the South East in particular showing further weakness. While near-term indicators are generally flat for both sales and prices at the national level, 12 months expectations point to a modest pickup further out. House prices in Wales continue to edge upwards, but the outlook for the Welsh housing market has become more cautious. A net balance of 25% of chartered surveyors responding to the latest survey said that prices were up. However, this had eased back from the previous month. Surveyors are also less optimistic about the outlook than they were, with just a net balance of 8% of chartered surveyors expecting prices to rise over the next 3 months compared to 28% in March. When it comes to sales activity, Welsh chartered surveyors have also become less positive, with a net balance of the respondents expecting a fall in activity for the first time since May 2016. It would appear that this is in part related to lack of supply in the market. It would appear that there are regional variations in the Welsh market, and hotspots such as Cardiff, we are experiencing increased valuations, instructions and offers received, particularly in favoured school catchment areas, for instance, where properties are selling over asking prices, with the highest demand being for 2 and 3 bedroom properties. RCS Wales have commented that the recent changes to the tax regime, i.e. the new land transaction tax, which came into force on the 1st of April, is perhaps unsurprisingly that on balance surveyors expect sales activity to reduce in the next 3 months ahead. Whilst the objective of the tax change is wishing to support first-time buyers and those operating in the lower end of the market, which is commendable, the progressively higher tax liability of middle to upper price properties is likely to slow down purchases in the housing market. In the lettings market, tenant demand in the 3 months to April was stagnant at national level, again having regional variations. Cardiff is constantly bucking the trend with continued tenant demand and outstripping supply. The Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee have decided to keep base rates unchanged at 0.5% this month, which was a decision greeted with a sigh of relief amongst estate agents following the unrest in the housing market. This is Tony Felici, Director of Kelvin France's Estate Agents, Cardiff Sales and Rentals, saying goodbye.